Hey y'all, so today is Wednesday and I took off work. Because I'm tired, number one, and two, I have a big show coming up for February 19th. All-Star Weekend is here in Cleveland this year, and so we're doing one of the guys down here is doing a big pop-up shop, or kind of like 100 Black businesses opportunity for small Black business owners to sell their products at Tower City. And so yeah, I'm going to be doing that this month, and it's next weekend, and I'm scared because my stuff not made, but that's okay because I ordered my inventory late last month. I want to say like the third week of January, and one of my boxes still is not here to make my product, and so I can't make the product without it. I can't start making it and then add it later. That's just not how that works. For the oil, I could do that, but for the actual styler, I can't do that. I have to do it all at the same time, or it's not gonna come out right. So yeah, still waiting on that. But as far as I have all my containers in, I have all of my containers, and so I have to clean them, and that's what I'm going to do today. It's going to take me so long to clean all those containers, but it is what it is. It got to get done. I'm not gonna put product in a unclean jar or unsanitized jar. I just never would do that. And if you guys are business owners and you haven't been cleaning your containers, start doing that, because you just never know how that container was handled before you got it. And so you don't want to put your product in there and then there'd be like dust or any type of bacteria in there, and that bacteria being added to your product can cause your product to go bad sooner, or have some extra little critters running around your product, and you don't want that happening. Otherwise, that's what this video is going to be about. Basically just me preparing for a pop-up shop. This is the biggest pop-up shop I've ever done, and I'm nervous, but at the same time, this is basically what entrepreneurship looks like. It looks like growth, and it looks like being uncomfortable a lot. Okay, y'all, so just like a quick little overview of what I have so far in stock, or what's came in so far, is of course my containers. These are the bottles for the oil. I'm sorry if this is hurting y'all's ears, but these are the bottles for the oil. The lids are way at the bottom. So yeah, I'm getting ready to go clean all these bottles. Wish me luck. I am going to be up probably late tonight trying to clean these bottles. In a previous video, I explained this process, but I just want to explain it again for the sake of this video. What I'm doing is I'm sanitizing the bottles with sanitizing solution and with plain distilled water. So I have two buckets, one with the sanitizing solution and another with just plain distilled water. And another reason why this process takes so long is because each bottle has to sit in a sanitizing solution for over a minute before you can remove it and rinse it off and set it aside to dry. So this is a little close-up of the water after cleaning about 30 to 40 bottles. Those little dirt particles could have easily gotten into my product, and so this is a prime example of why you should be cleaning all of your bottles before using them. Okay, y'all, so 2 hours later, and this is what I have. Basically I have 75 bottles and 75 jars. There's some more jars up under the napkins, and I'm going to start looking for more sustainable ways to, of course, dry them, you know, so I don't have to use paper towels, which I'm probably just going to buy some white towels and then just, of course, wash the towels in between each use. And so yeah, I'm gonna do that. Also, and sorry I look a mess, I'm hot and I'm sweating, but it's going to take 24 to 48 hours for it to dry, maybe a little bit sooner, but it may take that amount of time for it to dry. And then after they are completely dry, I'm going to put the labels on them. Usually I wait until after the product is in the jars to put the labels on, but for the sake of time, I'm actually going to just go ahead and put the labels on there before I fill the bottles. And so I'm going to show that, of course, and then maybe Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I'm going to make the product, because this is going to take a 3-day job. This is a lot of product to make. This is the biggest batch size I've ever made. And so quality assurance is at risk. So that's why I just kind of want to take my time and do this over 3 days and try not to do it in one day. My sister says she's going to help, and so hopefully, fingers crossed, she can. That way I have an extra set of hands to help me. And so yeah, I may or may not end this video here. I don't know yet, but stay tuned. Hey y'all, happy Friday. Thank goodness it is Friday. Today I am just going to go downstairs and I'm going to label all of the jars and the bottles that I cleaned on Wednesday. And then Thursday I did not do anything at all. I did receive 3 packages in the mail, one of them being a box of raw material, and then the other 2 packages being some tags that I'm going to place onto the bags, and then KURL vouchers that I'm going to pass out to people after I sell out. They don't want us to leave. They don't want us to leave after we sell out. They want us to stay the entire event so that there are no empty tables as people are still walking through and shopping with vendors. And so I'm not going to sit there and twiddle my thumbs. So I decided to pass out some KURL vouchers with a little QR code on the back and a discount code, so they can scan the QR code, go straight to the website, and then use the QR code or the discount code to get 20% off their first order, which is our normal first-time buyer discount anyways. And so yeah, just something to give out to customers and, you know, be able to engage with them as well a little bit. And then yeah, that's it. I'm gonna show you what the KURL voucher looks like. I'm gonna save the tags for later for a different video. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with putting the labels onto the jars and bottles. So wish me luck. I hope it does not take me all day. I'm going to show you guys a part of it. I'm not going to show you guys all of it because then it's going to be redundant at that point. So yeah, wish me luck. Okay, y'all, so this is what the KURL voucher looks like. It just says sorry you missed us, and then it says KURL voucher on the front, and then on the back, hold on, hopefully the code is covered up enough. Yeah, okay, so then it has a QR code on the back, and then of course our social media, and it just says recycle. And then this QR code, of course, goes straight to the website and says scan me. The back is kind of plain, but I didn't need to go overboard for this because people are just going to throw it away anyways, and they'll just get fancier over time. But of course, like I said, people are just going to throw them away. So yeah, that's that. Okay, y'all, so I am done putting all the labels on the bottles. And first of all, I just want to say this took, it was shorter than I expected, but it is all done. And I've never used this top shelf before, but I used it today. So yeah, it's all done. I put little papers over them. It's like cardstock paper, that's how thick it is, but that's what I put over it so that there's no dust getting in there. I'll do like a quick little wipe through of the ones that aren't completely covered. So yeah, that's it. So I'm actually completely done for today, because that was pretty much all I had to do, was just put all the labels on the bottles. And then I am going to get up tomorrow and go to the store and pick up the last raw material item that I need to make the oil. And then I'm just going to get started on making everything. I think I'm going to make the oil first because it doesn't take the longest. It's the easiest to make, and it's also the easiest to pour and fill. So yeah, I'm gonna do that first. I'm so glad that I have 2 filling machines. I actually got 2 by accident when I really only ordered 1. I actually ordered 2, but the company canceled the order. They canceled the order, but they still wound up sending it out anyway. And then when I told them that they sent it to me, they said keep it. No worries. That's exactly what I did. And so yeah, I'm glad I got 2 filling machines. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm just gonna get up tomorrow, do everything I need to do, start making the product. I might show it, I might not, just because I want to just go ahead and get it done, so all next week I can just mentally prepare and also make sure that everything is in order that I need to pack up my car with, and just prepare for Friday, basically. So I think that's going to be the end of this vlog. So of course, you guys know that I need you to do something for me. I need you to hit that like button, subscribe, and also make sure that you click the bell so you get notified every single time that I post on this channel. And I'll be seeing you guys real soon. Thank you.